let's start this video off by saying £4.99. That's £4.99 UK pence for Bluetooth 5.3 earphones that come with a charge case that has a built-in full LED display. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Hit the road, Jack. Surely they must be rubbish, right? Well, we're gonna find out. Today we are back with yet another Temu find. Yes, we've been on Temu, all the cheap products, free delivery and all that stuff. Well, these earphones today are the NEWEST M41 wireless earbuds. As mentioned, we paid £5 for them. That's just above $6 in US dollars. And what we get for such a low price is... Now, that's certainly surprising, as we have RGB aesthetically pleasing lights illuminating the charge case. Now, those lights will automatically go off after around about 1 minute, but although the case was advertised on the Temu website as being of an alloy texture, it is in fact a silver sprayed ABS plastic charge case. I would say that the lights do make it stand out somewhat, but to the rear of the case, we have a Type-C charge port. By the way, there is a very short Type-C charge cable that is indeed provided, and hang on. We can indeed trickle charge our mobile phone, basically using the charge case as a simple power bank. And I've only just noticed that not only do we get a very clear battery percentage indicator to the front panel of the charge case, but damn, with that mobile phone plugged in and using that charge case as a power bank, wow, that percentage is rapidly dropping. Bloody hell, let's unplug it quick time. So yes, you definitely get a bold looking but bulky charge case. I mean, look at that, that's what it's like in your pocket. It's massive. And that could be said about the NEWEST M41 earphones themselves. I've got to be honest, the paint and the plastic look very cheap on the earphones, not very ergonomically shaped, and you can definitely notice this when they are placed within your ears. I mean, one other thing as well, zero passive noise isolation. Now yes, we are provided with some spare ear tips that, when swapped over to the large size ear tips, didn't really make much of a difference when it comes to that passive noise isolation, and that was the same when it comes to the comfort and the sound seal. Although one positive is that they didn't fall out and they did fit in rather snug. As you can see, just like the charge case, when the touch controls are held for a second, some nice and bright pairing lights are illuminated, but once we have selected TWS from our device list on our mobile phone, you'll be pleased to know that them lights will indeed turn off, but what is really noticeable right from the off is the foreign notification accent. I guess that the Chinese voice notification is going to be stuck that way. I've not been able to change it, and in case anybody else has these earphones, if you know how to change that voice notification language, please let us know in the comment section down below, because we're fed up trying. Opening up the charge case, yep, we can simply drop the earphones into the magnetically embedded sockets. Oh, okay. So that LED display does expand somewhat. It says be loud, be proud, with that charge case remaining percentage level being displayed central, and with both left and right earbud charge bars too. I do like that. Obviously the earphones will illuminate red, and I think that they will illuminate blue when they are fully charged. But ultimately, when it comes to the audio quality, now prepare yourself guys. And I'm not exaggerating this. Nope, I'm not going to be a TikTok video and say, these are superb, they come with all these charge lights, these are amazing, you get this from Temu for only £3.99. I can't tell a lie. The audio quality, I wouldn't say it's the worst I've heard from cheap earphones, but if I'm not to hold my language, they are pretty much a big bag of shit. Hey! I mean, crap. I did think, you know what, I might be onto a winner with these earphones. But let me just quickly rewind and start telling you about the bass. That's too. The bass is flat Stanley. No power, no effort, no energy, with the high tones sounding more distant than the guy that's just found out that his woman's got crabs. No, to be honest guys, seriously, at one point I was really praying that the mid-tones for once would simply overpower and provide some kind of impact. But instead, that too was deader than a doornail. All levels are flat as hell. And not only that, the audio, well, it was and still is deviating to that left-hand driver. You know what? It's actually really hard for me to say that I've tested the worst earphones in the past, but even after a short time, I couldn't cope with these M41s in my ears. No. Again, not only is the audio rubbish, the comfort too, not good for long use, and I think that these particular earphones today are only good, say, within an emergency. When your good quality earphones are 100% dead, and say you want to listen to some podcast or something like that, or an audiobook at work, well, simply just whack these in your locker and use them as a spare pair, although you don't really want to be seen with them in. Yeah, they got super bright lights, but again, it's all about the audio, and we were massively let down. Now, the touch controls, on the other hand, I am actually, you know what, I'm going to give a real good positive here. They were really impressive. So, for example, you got one press for play pause, you got two presses for the next track selections, three presses for the volume up and down, with a 1 second hold for the voice assist. Tell me a fact of the day.
Here is a fact. Did you know that Asia and Africa are home to 90% of the world's rural population?
Damn, 90%. Yes, they are my perfectly preferred layout. Mic quality? Oh, for sake, do I really need to say this? Alright, here's a pre-recording.
Now, because we've used these earphones connected to our mobile phone device, we've not really used them to make any type of voice calls. To be fair, they're absolutely rubbish when it comes to the microphones. As you can tell by this particular video just now, not only is the lip sync quite bad, but my voice sounds very tinny, almost like I've got tin foil pressed against my mouth. Everything when it comes to my voice clarity is real flat, and I almost sound like I'm a character from an 80s Nollywood movie.
It sounds almost like I'm doing a police interview from the 1970s. It's that bad.
Hi, my name is Jack. You might have heard of me.
And in fact, I'm going to halt this review right here, guys, because I've had enough. You know, there's a good old saying, you pay for what you get. And if, say, you want some cheap earphones, that you just want to simply use to listen to some audiobooks, well, get these M41s. And for anything else, such as music playback, skip it, go to the next one, try and find something else. Total slap in the face when it comes to earphones. But what do you guys think? Get commenting in the comment section down below about your experience. We'd like to hear about your feelings. But if you want to check these out for yourself, I have left the Temu link in the video description down below. Oh, by the way, guys, I have not actually joined the Temu affiliate program or whatever you call it, so I'm not going to get any pennies and stuff like that if you do click the link. But if you want to check some of the specifications out for yourself, well, go and take a look, will you? But you know what? For some reason, if you've liked what you've seen within this video and you think, I want some of them, I'm going to get some, well, go get yours with that link. While you're in that video description, guys, it means so much if you please support this channel by not only liking and sharing this video today, but quickly, subscribe, will you? I would really much appreciate it. Bearing in mind though, to hit the bell notification option, so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now, it has been a long time since we've reviewed some cheap budget, well, crappy tech like this. And if you want to see some of our previous videos, well, this one's showing on screen just now. Oh, you can check this one out here. What about this one? Eh? No? Eh? Anyway, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace!